Why Traditional Business Models Keep People Stuck, Episode 9 of a multi-video series. Most people believe that starting a traditional business is the key to financial freedom, but in reality, most businesses keep owners trapped, working harder, spending more, and earning much less than they expected. Let's break it down why old school business models are keeping people stuck. You were told that starting a business would set you free, but what if I told you most businesses actually keep people trapped? If you're working harder than ever in your business, but not seeing the results you expected, you're not alone. The problem isn't you, it's the business model. Stay with me because I'm exposing why traditional businesses fail to create real freedom and what actually works instead. Most people start a business to gain freedom, but traditional business models are outdated, high risk, and designed to keep owners working instead of truly earning. High costs and low profit margins. Traditional businesses require huge investments, but profits don't come easy. Expensive startup costs drain your bank account. Rent, inventory, payroll, insurance. Before you even make $1, you're spending thousands. Most traditional businesses take years just to break even. Compare that to digital business models where startup costs are low, but profits are high. Overhead costs eat your profits. Even if you make sales, much of that money goes toward business expenses, employees, supplies, office space, taxes. It all adds up. Instead of financial freedom, you're stuck paying bills just to keep the lights on. The traditional system timeline success is slow. Most businesses don't turn a real profit for 3 to 5 years. That's years of grinding just to see if it'll even work. Meanwhile, modern online businesses can become profitable in months, not years. If you've ever felt frustrated by the slow growth of traditional businesses, drop a comment below. Next, let's talk about why business ownership doesn't always mean freedom. Traditional business equals just another job. Most business owners think they're escaping 9 to 5 when really they're just creating a 24/7 grind. Most business owners work more, not less. The dream of being your own boss turns into 80 plus hours of a work week. You don't just do the work, you're also the marketer, the accountant, and the problem solver. Instead of working less, you're working all the time. No work equals no money. Traditional businesses are not passive. If the owner steps away, the business often collapses. You're constantly managing employees, customers, and expenses just to keep it running. Business owners face more stress, not less, dealing with employees, inventory, customer issues. It's a daily battle. Instead of financial peace, most business owners live in a financial stress. Compare that to online business models that run with automation and super low overhead. If this sounds exhausting, hit the like button because the biggest problem with traditional businesses is still ahead. Traditional businesses don't scale well. If your business requires you to work, it's not scalable. Scaling a traditional business is expensive. more locations, more staff, more inventory. Scaling requires massive investment. Compare that to digital business models where scaling is fast and affordable. Most businesses struggle to grow beyond a single location or product line. There's a limit to how many customers you can serve. A traditional business can only handle so many customers at a time. You have physical space limitations, time constraints, and staffing issues. With online business models, there's no cap. Your reach is unlimited. Business owners get stuck instead of scaling because they're tied to the business. They can't step away. They're constantly fixing problems like a fire extinguisher. Instead of growing, instead of creating wealth, they create another job for themselves. Now that you know why traditional businesses keep people stuck, it's time to talk about the better alternative. In the next episode, I'll break down how to build a business that scales without the stress. Traditional businesses were designed for an older economy. If you want financial freedom today, you need a business model built for the digital age. My next episode, how to build a business that does scale without stress. If this video opened your eyes a bit, hit the like button, subscribe, turn on notification, because tomorrow's video is going to change the way you see online businesses. I mean, forever. Want a real online business that pays you first? Grab my free guide. Click the link in the description. It's free. Check it out and see for yourself. If your business needs to survive, you don't own a business. You own just a job. Any questions, feel free to reach out and I'll be glad to get back to you anytime. Thank you.